Which are the main dances of India? Dance in India can be categorized into three forms: classical, folk and modern. Classical is the oldest form. Folk dance had mainly remained as an expression of the simple joy and rituals of village communities in the rural areas. Modern dance is a mixture of the above two with some impact of the West. The dance is also a very popular source of entertainment in the country. Almost every Indian film has some dance sequences. The chief source of classical dance is Bharat Muni's Natyam Sastra, a comprehensive treatise on dance. There are four main types of classical dances: Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Kathak and Manipuri. In 1958, the Sangeet Nataki Academy accorded classical status to two more dances, Kuchipudi of Andhra Pradesh and Odissi of Orissa. Bharatnatyam originated in Tamil Nadu. Its performance lasts for about 2 hours and consists of 6 parts. The dancer moves her body rhythmically, as if in a state of ecstasy. The famous 20th century dancers of Bharatnatyam have been T. Bal Saraswati, Rukmini Devi, Yamini Krishnamurti and Shanta Rao. Kathakali originated in 17th century in Kerala. Its themes are taken from Ramayana, Siva Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Mahabharata etc. It mainly depicts Tandava mood. Some of the well-known exponents of Kathakali are Guru Chandu Panika, Guru Kunju Kurup, Ramuni Nayar and Kalamanda Krishna Nayar. Kathak flourished in North India under the Mughal rule. It portrays the immortal love of Radha and Krishna as it blossomed on the banks of Yamuna. It is popular with both male and female performers. Major Kathak exponents have been Sambhu Maharaj, Sundar Prasad, Birju Maharaj, Gopi Krishan, Sitara Devi and Damayanti Joshi. Manipuri has come from Manipur. It is a slow dance. Its main exponents are Atamba Singh and Amubi Singh. Folk dances differ from place to place, depending upon the caste, occupation, religion etc. There are many types of folk dances and it is difficult to categorize them. Modern Indian dance contains many elements from drama, opera, ballet etc. Indian films present a mixed of many of these. Uday Shankar has contributed immensely to the modern dance in India. Others are Sachin Shankar, Menaka, Ram Gopal, Mrinalini Sarabai etc.